Unpack and install MagniLink S with docking station. Place the plate on the table. Grab the docking station. Fit the docking station on top of the plate. Now secure the docking station by using the included screw. Keep turning until the screw sits tight. Now grab the MagniLink S device. Remove the connector part from the back of the MagniLink S unit. Now connect the connector part to the docking station. Now you're ready to attach the MagniLink S device to the docking station. Make sure it sits tightly. Now grab the included USB-C cable and connect it to the connector part in the docking station. Connect the other end of the cable to your computer. A control panel is also included with the MagniLink S device. If you'd like to use it for controlling your system, connect it to the device. The system is now ready to be put into use. Thank you for watching. You can learn more at lviglobal.se.